Welcome back to Bike Buzzing, the channel where the world of motorcycles roars to life. Today, we're diving into a machine that's turning heads and setting a new standard in custom cruisers, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Chopper. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan or just someone who appreciates raw engineering and timeless style, this episode is for you. Let's throttle into the details of this modern-day beast, where heritage meets innovation like never before. The return of the icon, a chopper reborn. Harley-Davidson has always been synonymous with freedom, rebellion, and the open road. But in 2025, the brand has doubled down on its roots by bringing back the chopper spirit in a bold, factory-custom package. This isn't just a bike, it's a revival of an attitude. While the chopper scene has traditionally been ruled by garage-built customs, Harley's new approach blends authenticity with precision engineering straight off the showroom floor. This 2025 model isn't just a nod to the past. It's a fully modern machine built to perform without compromising the rebellious soul that made choppers legendary in the first place. Design and aesthetics, long, low, and loud. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Harley Chopper makes one hell of a statement. True to the chopper ethos, it features a raked front end, extended forks, and a low-slung frame that stretches out like a piece of rolling art. The wheelbase is noticeably longer than most Harley cruisers, and the minimalist fenders paired with a custom peanut tank keep the profile lean and aggressive. Harley has kept the chrome alive, but now blends it with matte finishes and powder-coated components that bring a modern edge. Custom paint options, pinstriping kits, and blacked-out engine packages allow riders to personalize the look while still rocking that unmistakable Harley attitude. Powertrain, Milwaukee Muscle Unleashed. Underneath all that attitude is serious performance. The 2025 Chopper is powered by the latest Milwaukee 8117 V-twin, delivering raw torque with a smoother ride than previous big blocks. This engine churns out over 125 lb-ft of torque, giving the bike incredible pull through low and mid-range RPMs, perfect for cruising or opening it up on the freeway. Despite its classic styling, the Chopper benefits from Harley's updated electronics and refined fuel mapping, providing better throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. And yes, the bike still rumbles with that iconic Harley growl, deep, throaty, and unmistakably American. Chassis and ride dynamics, form meets function. Riding a chopper isn't just about looking cool, it's about feeling every inch of the road. The 2025 model has made some serious improvements to ensure this ride is as enjoyable as it is intimidating. While the extended front end gives it the classic chopper profile, Harley's engineers have fine-tuned the rake and trail to maintain stability at higher speeds and comfort at lower ones. The soft-tail frame underpins the design, delivering rigidity and reducing vibration. Rear suspension is hidden beneath the frame, preserving the hardtail look without sacrificing ride comfort. The monoshock system can be adjusted on the fly, making it adaptable for solo riders or those hauling gear for long-haul trips. Technology, old-school style, new-school tech. Don't let the vintage look fool you, this chopper is as modern as they come. The 2025 model includes ride modes, ABS, traction control, and even cruise control for longer journeys. The digital instrument cluster is subtly integrated into the risers, keeping the bars clean while still giving you access to key information. There's also Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation and media, controlled through handlebar toggles. It's a careful balance of embracing the future without losing the soul of the past, and Harley seems to have nailed it. Customization, a canvas for creativity. No chopper is complete without personal touches. Harley knows its customer base well, and the 2025 model is designed to be endlessly customizable. From ape hangers and sissy bars to aftermarket exhausts, seat swaps, and custom foot controls, the modular design makes it easier than ever for riders to make the bike their own. Harley's parts and accessories catalog has been expanded with this in mind, offering bolt-on upgrades that preserve warranty while unleashing creativity. Whether you're going for West Coast flair or East Coast minimalism, the Chopper is the perfect blank canvas. Pricing and availability, premium style, premium tag. With all this style and performance, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Chopper does come with a premium price tag. Base models are expected to start around $23,999, with top-tier trims and customization options pushing well past $30,000. But for many, owning a chopper isn't about practicality, it's about passion, and this machine delivers that in spades. Dealers are expected to roll out units starting in late summer 2025, with pre-orders already underway in some regions. Given the hype and limited initial availability, this could easily become a collector's item for modern-day Harley enthusiasts. Final thoughts: the chopper is back, and it means business. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Chopper isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It says that Harley still believes in the culture it helped create, and it's not afraid to lean into its rebellious roots. With a perfect fusion of throwback styling and 21st century engineering, this bike proves that choppers are far from dead. Whether you're planning to hit the highway, turn heads at bike nights, or simply park it in your garage and admire the craftsmanship, the new chopper is a modern legend in the making. Thanks for riding with us here at Bike Buzzing. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Chopper, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more two-wheeled content, and drop a comment below.